In this video, we are going to discuss about Meta.ai, that is the world's fastest AI platform that you can easily use for free. Let me go here and type Meta. And press enter. So guys, like ChatGPT, you can easily use this AI platform. So to use it, make sure that you have created a free account, and now you can easily sign in with your Facebook account. After that, you can also create your account with email. Click here and now scroll down, click on confirm button. So now it's creating account in next few seconds. After that, we will be able to use this AI platform. So for example, you can search anything, how I build website on Wix, and here you can see we got all of the instructions. So now if you want to generate images, please generate a logo for enable website design, that is web design agency. So you can create content as well as you can also generate images and many more. Here you can see a logo is generated. So after that, if you want to animate these logos, just you can go here and click on this one, animate. And you can check the working speed of this AI platform. So it is generating quick results.